Camera nowadays has what is called an auto white balance. What that is an algorithm inside the device and reads the overall color temperature and then compensates it so it looks more neutral to you. Now in the below, I will show you a video comparison shot on an iPhone, one with auto white balance enabled, the other with auto white balance disabled. So right off you can see that with auto white balance enabled, the image inside the kitchen looks a lot more neutral compared to when it's disabled. Now if you look closer and slow down the video, what you will see is actually the auto white balance kicks in relatively fast once it senses that it's inside a more warm environment and then compensates it right away. So this is a mechanism that's often used. However, it's not always perfect. So I'll walk you guys through two examples on when auto white balance could be inaccurate. First case where auto white balance wouldn't work properly is object color. Let me explain. Take a look at the image right here. The camera is obviously shooting at a hallway, and that hallway has a very big area painted in orange. Now we know from the Kelvin temperature scale that color red, orange, and yellow represents a warmer color tone. So this somehow tricks the camera into thinking that this is a warmer situation and compensates it with a cooler color tone. The end result of the auto white balance makes the whole scene a little bit too cool. So we have to calibrate back to its normal color. The second situation is when there are a mix of light sources. So this scene right here has two light sources, one from the light source indoor and second from outdoor. And you can see that we've tried to balance the outdoor light source. However, what that does is make the indoor light source too warm. Now on the opposite side, if we try to balance the indoor light source, then that makes the outdoor too cold. So in a situation like this, it boils down into our ROI, or region of interest.